Back to Swinging Nation. Today we're going to be playing Mode.io again. And I hope you liked the first video that we did. So let's get started. I really played this game because I enjoyed it a lot, and I really hope my friend Nelber13 plays it. He has a YouTube channel, Mr. Conqueror13. I'm leaving the description down below so you can check him out. He does Roblox videos, he does reaction videos, but I try to get him to play Mode.io with me so he can try to get like a whole bunch of stuff to do in this game. I mean, Mode.io does have like a lot of good stuff on it, but it really just gets old unless you can't, if you're not that good at it. So you have to be very good at the game to really do fun stuff and to do like challenges. I might just do like the worst animal challenge, but you can only pick animals when you get to the mole tree, which is right after the pig. So I'm just gonna use this gym farm up so I don't have to do all this. Each animal has its own ability, so it can do like different things. I'm a pig, so I can make, so if I get hurt or like this, I can stink pretty much fart on my house. Like this. I can stink, and then it will hurt people, and if they have low health, I can pretty much kill them. So I'm gonna start doing the worst animal now. The mole is actually a very good animal when you think about it, because you can just go under the ground and just try to get like some termites in. Get them! Oh! Okay, one more time. I want to take my shirt off. Yeah, black people love taking off their shirt. Remember that. Work hard. Get respect. Make that paper. You know, I sound like DJ Khaled. And DJ Khaled is kind of fat. No offense. I listen to your music. You do good music, but I'm doing this. I just really want to upload. I don't even know what to do. So I'm just gonna like talk, play games, smell like a donkey, a donkey stain on the bottom of the lip, like a big old wide donkey. But I just like recording and doing commentary on videos. What's my channel be? Should I play games, do reactions, maybe vlog? I'm just gonna do commentary videos, play games, and react to stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. It would be weird if I automatically got 10 subscribers right now. Then 20, then 40, then 80, then 200, no, 320. Yeah, the deer is a lot worse than the squid, because near a squid you can actually like defend yourself. You can like eat, but only to animals that are not the octopus and kraken. You're pretty much above that. Pretty much anything that can eat an octopus. Yeah. I just took a poop like 2 minutes ago. I just took a big old massive turd. No offense, you know it's kind of disgusting. I don't want to push this gym there. Yeah, scumbag. The last one here would probably be jumpers. Or actually I'll put it good, because if somebody tries to bite you, you actually get XP. Like from that, I get a lot of XP. So I can't really decide which one is a bad animal. know. But yeah, I'm gonna leave the link to this game down below if you wanna like play. It's very fun. You stuff all over because I don't know what YouTube says, so I'm just gonna do some more thing. Pretty much. But I'm gonna have to go to tournament. I really only want to do this because I really like to dunk that gun to kill somebody right now. Just like quick say I can't see them. Oh, okay. Oh, come on, bro. Bro, you got it. I'm turning on TV.
Embarrassing secret right here, right now. They don't know each other so well. We'll feel comfortable.
I died.
I'll start. I'm going to weird nail hammer.
What?
Come on, man, don't leave me hanging.
Okay, this isn't my real hair. It's a wig designed to hide this. I was born attached to my two brothers. The other stars are some pictures.
Well, I died.
I didn't take any pictures.
So,
It was a video.
back to the game. Again. Fighting now. Hey, bring the ANJP.
Sometimes I'm
That guy again.
I'll try. You just
I'm gonna get someone that's meat.
please.
Not that kind of meat. Because I'm not gay.
We ought to use the word again.
Yes, I'm black.
It's not possible to work there anymore.
Once you go black, you never
We just
come
have to
back.
go to the back of the cubicle and push up with our legs.
Okay, give me your arm.
We touch as little as possible, okay?
Why do you have to make everything so awkward?
Oh, let's get it. Well, I'm not to say lion,
I'm like totally napping.
but
That's not even war.
we skipped like a whole bunch of animals.
Okay, so how about
We skipped about like 3.
where there's no feet, nothing here.
See, I've been talking to you besides that.
No, we only skipped 1.
Sorry.
I'm not a retard.
I'm sure one day
I might go to
this.
I'm not gonna do like the snow animal stuff. I'm trying to find the elephant one. Hey, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm dead. I'm really dead.
Right, that would have been the perfect time to place for a move here.
Oh my god. I'm about to die. I'm dead.
I'm really dead.
If I try to tell by him, I might die.
You really do look like that, huh?
No.
Come on, man. You really just gonna wait here? While you see me? Oh no, hell. Scumbag!
We just move a little.
Scumbag.
You have the right to return any product within 20 days. You do not have to buy anything, but anything you do buy can be added to your reward card. You have the right to redeem unlimited coupons. If you do not have a coupon, you may be provided with one by the store. Do you understand?
I I understand that you're not a real cop.
I'm a ball cop. Is that even enough for you? No.
Wait, if you're not a real cop, how can you have handcuffs?
They're available for $5 from the toy store on the second floor.
Wait, so are we officially under arrest or what?
Well, official is just.
Yeah, well, things are officially official. Shall we?
Definitely.
I guess it's the version. Wait, no. Come on, Diddy. Please, bro. I'm like a brother to you. But we got first. Free bite, huh? Okay. Sight, right? You don't know. I know you're lying. Mario. We have no mustache and all that. No wonder you stay in the car. Alright, bro. I appreciate it, man. Y'all actually ain't lying. Nah, he gonna wait till like, nah, I can't do that. That ball is tricky. They're gonna eat my ass. Oh, quick, on the push. Come on, man. Don't do that to me. Y'all like a brother to
Hey,
you.
mister, are you okay? Sir?
Sir!
Officer.
I'm gonna tell by that dragon. Oh my god. Damn. I could have had that. Please, don't kill me.
Yeah. That was weird. But we made it. High five.
Oh no, why am I in the middle of all this? You go right there. Don't eat my ass. Bro, come on, you are so hard for it. You need to move it. Man, get the free back.
I'm sorry. Goodness.
Well,
This summer,
I'm here.
Your favorite shows.
Ooh.
every hour of every day. You want to take the we will totally be.
I'm friendly too. Friendly.
No one else has more except every
I'm
hour.
joking. There's so many bad people in this world. We gotta help them out. Bro, come on, I'm trying to help you out. It just gonna salvage me like that. You know what?
It's the amazing world of Gumball.
Well, illegal.
Any of us are together on the
Wait, no. This is supposed to be challenged. Why am I illegal? I should have been an octopus.
Get iPhone 8 on us.
Octopus.
Only on Verizon.
Yeah, I'm called octopus.
Don't wait to find a babysitter.
I'm not a baby person, Mama. I have no baby facilities.
Let's get this going.
Oh, ostrich, but it has no orange.
Monopoly Cheaters Edition. Before, you weren't allowed to cheat on Monopoly, but now you can.
Don't come here.
Monopoly Cheaters Edition from Hasbro Games.
Got your ass now, nigga.
So deliciously fruity, your palate's aside will come alive.
Sorry. I did not mean to say that. But I'm black, so I got the free hand card. It is all.
Whatever makes you happy. Whatever fruits your moods.
Okay. Come on. I'm the boss.
Most eligible bachelor. On July 13th, Drake's new crush
Mine.
has a big secret.
Too big, Alvin. Get out of here.
Say goodbye.
Dracula.
2023, rated PG.
No. Come on, bro. Come on. Okay. We are. One more time. I only have 1 minute left.
No, Chuck E. Cheese's. You can bring in
Ah.
your report card and get 10 free
Get to the ostrich.
with any food purchase.
On behalf.
It's sensational. Only at Chuck E. Cheese's.
I'm really happy about the ostrich. 1 minute, 30 seconds. If I get the ostrich, it ain't gonna happen. But if it do, well, I'm out.